The Rafale issue is likely to disrupt the parliament today as well, in fact, as opposition has decided to corner the government in both the houses. For 6 consecutive days, there has been hardly any legislative business in both the houses. The big question is whether the winter session is heading for a complete washout. Stalemate is likely to continue in the both houses of parliament after both Congress and the BJP challenging each other over the purchase of the Rafale jets. Congress is adamant on its demand for a JPC, while the BJP is accusing Rahul Gandhi of misleading the people. Today, BJP leaders are in Delhi and are all set to lead a march to Congress headquarters over the issue.
This question is now clearly settled into the mind of the Indian people. That देश का चौकीदार चोर है।
देश का चौकीदार चोरी कर गया। चोर है।
फिर भी मोदी सरकार आने के बाद
accepted against the government. This government
competing sloganeering over Rafale. Despite the Supreme Court clean chit on Rafale, the opposition has kept up its offensive against the government. In addition to sticking to its demand for a Rafale JPC probe, they have even raised a question mark on the Supreme Court judgment, striking down the demand for an investigation into the Rafale deal.
चाहने वाले लोग इस सदन में प्राइम मिनिस्टर आके 2 शब्द भी
अगर प्रधानमंत्री को कोई चिंता नहीं है, कोई गलत काम नहीं किया राफेल की खरीद में, तो जेपीसी को मान ले सरकार.
If there is there is a matter pending in the CAG, and if there is an ambiguity in the order, I have seen hundreds of cases as a lawyer where there are ambiguities in orders. You mention to the court the next day and they rectify those 1 or 2 sentences and clarify the ambiguity. So if ambiguity is the best argument of Rahul Gandhi, then obviously he has no damn case.
देखिए, अगर आप सरकार में आपके पास कुछ छुपाने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई चीज नहीं है, तो कराइए ना जेपीसी. कितने जेपीसी बने? आप क्यों भाग रहे हो? अगर आपके पास छुपाने के लिए कुछ नहीं, कहिए हम तैयार हैं, बनाओ जेपीसी.
So you have Rahul Gandhi come out saying that the JPC is the only way out in the Rafale deal.
No, for him there could be only way out of his lies and his wrong propaganda. We are ready now that he is thoroughly exposed. We are ready for a full house discussion.
So why the politics over an issue that seems to have been settled by the Supreme Court? The centre has already clarified on the CAG report and explained that it's a misinterpretation. Then why is the Congress persisting with the JPC demand? How much of the demand is substance and how much a cloud of confusion? Bureau Report, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.